Inkambi kagagaza Nelenza wena mweke inkambi Just Meni mame kamaki bansuwe Ninamu mkambi Meni mame kamabu Namika kana Ngeni koti bazayo Inkambi lenyaka
Imai baba jaro kula imba chaka nana ashiti sheshi ya shakole Bushbuck Ridge. I was so happy to hear Ben Mangana ku nhlamala ngokuva nabale Bush bangiranza. So mina personally, because I didn't know Bushbuck Ridge, loku Ben Mangana or release music like in Takuma more than 30 and tabin loku no bla bla cha negative Ben Mangana ka YouTube in Takuma the comments talo ka WhatsApp. So I know how much they love the guy because I don't know more than about ante alang bla bla ngoma ta Oscar Makam or music kwaye, but trying to push like I love the content, so trying to push so I don't have a choice. However, if I know bla shushu ngata swa ngutsakis and Striker channel ya me nta Striker yabo, that's how it's gonna work. If I know delelang, if I just criticize your music, just leave me alone with my channel. I find it very unfair. Last year, I did a video. They started my video just to this line. Nite Baba said it was more like a title track. Yeah, Victoria title track. Yeah, so the HIV Mackensika Ringtonia Gospel. So I found it very unfair. One strike last year. Because I'm telling you, I'm going to go and say, go. So no one I will ni Vinny Basira the song. When this other year next Espanya was in an interview, it was like there's this other new rapper man, this other new rapper like Stogie T. Name in return, there is this other new YouTuber man. This new YouTuber man. Triple X TV, Vashi Tsongasha. Nerbulu X le 1 year in, so triple X as well as triple X Marilla, she tonga sha, she what. So family will check a breakdown every year, Simra Binyasira. Loco menta wana Vitora Binyasira, any Ashlegata listen, come and come back at this line. Any Ashlegata go, listen shakum. Log okay, that cash can be so costens and ashakarami. Log me not to an costens, no yimbisa maybe no someone and everything. And then costens I tell her unzam sabe. Logo costens unzam sabe. Nugu back hamulasha is a daddy. Nugu hamulasha in the bell. Bakabona, bag ungamulash ungangulobulango, unga hatis angulobola. La baba lash you born a binyasira. I'm take about Lasa Cacao. English until so me twin when you are yin. But because of his creativity, I failed. But at least I accept that okay, but like I kind of feel like I didn't now view your customer anyway. I saw Paskama comes a man and that's him with gay. Paskama come imundo, you will assure I believe okay, this as one Sakashi song. Oscar comes and say, Vinivasira Sivara Lava Srabo. Oscar Macam is the Lagulumun Oza Atekiwa. Come Akumiswana Munu Mayando Ajulanae, where Ufuka Umuteka. Mundu Lukuza Banangwana is seeing a looking up Munu Ajulane Wahanya. Why are Isirana? Because Sira. Vataya var pushala bin varo. Loko mina kovana mundu anga lova kaya. Itaya pushela hina bin vasira. So let's ashibula Oscar Macam in a nutshell. Hukomisa. Ibula ku one sati. Loko uza akumangwana. Loko ngakumundu angankomisa ngwana wa hanya nguchavi isira ilobile munhu yalwe anga swi koti ku tshembeka I munhu wa ku unge tshami na yena ni tshame siku rin'wana ka video yin'wanyana kwala niku Sandland ku a endle risimu ra mati was inspired by General Muzka. Risimu ra mati ri vula marito lama ku loko mpfula se yina la mati ma nga ta yima kona loko ri duma hi siku rin'wana ma ta tlhe ma yima kona khombo ra mina. So for me it will be fair to say maybe Oscar Makam this content, this vision was inspired by Sandland because munhu langa lo kusuhi naye kumbe General Muzka. Because risimu leri ra mati ra Sandland ri vulavula hi leswaku nani loko mati loko mpfula yina siku loko mati swa ku nani loko u va na ex un'wana mi ta vuyelana na ex ya wena and va tirhisa xivulavulelo lexi i xivulavulelo kumbe Xitsonga line whatever ya ku loko mati ma khuluka ma fika ma yima la loko yina futhi mpfula ma ta tlhela. So for me I could say it was inspired by Sandland. However Oscar risimu dya tsala a dilisi a dinge fiki difika duku va strikela sweswi na ku swi vula sweswi no la ku phuza mfama mane ma lavi nchumu nala like ku na ngoma yin'wana ya Solly Makam ya ku a va talangi va ku fana na mino va kala va ku fana na Solly n'wana ba n'wana i nani hi ngoma yin'we ya Solly Makam van'wana va endla 3 va nga endla 10 ya tona loko u endla va phuza mfama yes ni nga va 10 ya tingoma but Oscar ina Xitsonga xa ku hlantsweka, Xitsonga xa le kaya, Xitsonga xa swicele ni ta vuya hi tikhamera loko ni heta le ka leyi i na swicele ngopfu. That's what I observed from the album mara ni ta vuya like swi nga endla ni la tikhamera ya Oscar Makam ya Oscar Makam na makhelwani ya Majojo ka page 4 so ni ta endla 2 and give you the difference between the two songs. For me, I'm so inspired by the amount of dedication that he put in his creativity and his thinking. Dama ndatala risimu sweswo u nga phikizana va ka n'wina mi phikizana hinkwenu mara xam dama ndatala xam mi ti vonela mara my last words a swi vuli leswaku loko munhu a ri na wansati loyi a nga na n'wana u n'wi teka ku n'wansati loyi i sirha munhu loyi nga na yena a hi sirha ku lo va swin'wana na swin'wana swi nga humelela vuton'wini and ku va munhu a kume n'wana na munhu un'wana hi xihoxo because there was a plan. So loko swi nga endlangi emisaveni swo ka swi nga endlanga and everything has a purpose in life. Swi nga endla leswaku wa u tswala loko u tswala ngoveni so ta pfuka ku ta kurisa n'wana bindzu ta va u ri na n'wana hi ndlela yaleyo na khensa ku sapotiwa hi n'wina mi nga rivali ku subscribe. Ahee.